Hello all, I am Dr. Gayathri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today we are going to see how to make the Storytime interactive and as well as make it into a comprehension activity. So let's see, I am going to use a book to show this. This book is Sharing the Shell by Julia Donaldson. It's one of my favorite books, so I chose this book for this activity. So whenever you start reading a book to the kid, always say them this is the title and Julia Donaldson is the author or whoever the author is. You could explain them, then start reading the book. If the child is little older, ask them to read the title and the author and then start it, and you can help them also. Let's see. So the first one is, look, a crab with no shell running along by the sea. Tap, tap, tap. You can't come in. You can't share a shell with me. Try to be as expressive as possible when you're reading with the kid. Then they can understand the modulations and they also try to understand the meaning, whether it's a question or an answer with our speech modulations. So here we read the story. You can ask the kid, so what is this? What is this here? You could just ask them, it's a crab. Yes, it's a crab. Then maybe you can slightly expand it. Yes, it's an orange crab. Yes, it's a crab living nearby the shore. Or yes, it's a crab with no shell here. So just expand with one or two words extra. Then you can ask the kid to repeat. If you're saying them shell, it's a new word. Shell, can you repeat it? Can you repeat the word crab? So that's how you will ask them to repeat the words. So this sequence which I used here to explain is called peer sequence. P stands for prompt. E stands for evaluate. The next E stands for expand. R stands for repeat. So the prompt is like you ask them a question so that the kid answers it. You can ask like questions like what, where, which, when, all these kind of questions. So what is this? So where do you think this is? Like those kind of questions come under the prompt. For little bigger kids, you can ask like, why do you think this happened? Or how is this so? You can ask like that questions, how or why, for little bigger kids. Next is, you are evaluating it. Always say that, yes, it's a crab. You have to evaluate the answer. Just don't move on to the next activity. Say them, you've done it right. Next, expand it. Expansion is always by one or two words more. Don't expand it too much that the kid actually forgets what she or he said. So next is repeat. You're repeating the words. They're listening to the new vocabulary words. So ask them to repeat it. Crab, shell, seashore, anything like that, you have to ask them to repeat it. So this is what is called peer sequence, and it is very much useful so that we can understand and the kid will understand more with this activity. You can use this peer sequence for almost all pages if you want, or you could just use for few 2 or 3 pages and you can skip it, or you can always work like half a book one day and next half you could do it in the other day. So this will make them a fun and an interactive experience. So while choosing books for this kind of activity, don't choose a book with so many pictures. You can choose a book with pictures but less number of pictures and words which the kid can understand. Don't make it a very tough book. Don't choose a very higher book so that the kid doesn't understand anything from that. Choose a book appropriate for their age and start doing this activity with your children. It's always fun and it gives them confidence that they can understand more also. Reading is fun. Thank you all.